It is day 2 of the historic confirmation hearing of Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson, with questions from senators who will decide if she will become the first African-American woman to be a Supreme Court justice. Today, Republican members of the Senate Judiciary Committee grilled Judge Jackson on everything from her feelings on expanding the number of justices on the court, to her religious views, to her time as a public defender. NBC 10's Lauren Mayk joins us now with more on today's questioning. Lauren?
Yeah, and Tracy, if that sounds wide-ranging, it certainly is. Each of these senators gets 30 minutes to ask Judge Jackson questions. In some cases, they were probing for how she would handle cases on issues the court could hear, including abortion. In other cases, they had some political points they wanted to make.
My record demonstrates my impartiality.
Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson today defending her record and taking questions from senators.
Do you agree with Justice Kavanaugh that Roe v. Wade is settled?
That ranged from law.
I do agree with both Justice Kavanaugh and Justice Barrett on this issue. Roe and Casey are the settled law of the Supreme Court concerning the right to terminate a woman's pregnancy.
To politics.
Do you agree that the Supreme Court has been bought by dark money groups?
Senator, I don't have any reason to believe that that's the case.
And religion.
Could you fairly judge a Catholic?
Senator, I have a record of fairly judging everyone.
I believe you can.
Senator Lindsey Graham also using part of his 30 minutes to again take issue with the choice President Biden made to choose Judge Jackson over a South Carolina judge Graham supported.
Every group that wants to pack the court, that believes this court is a bunch of right-wing nuts that are going to destroy America, that consider the Constitution trash, all wanted you picked.
The senators took turns by seniority. That gave some Democrats the chance to preempt expected questions from Republicans critical of Judge Jackson's handling of certain criminal cases, including those involving child pornography. They gave Judge Jackson a chance to respond.
These people are looking at 20, 30, 40 years of supervision. They can't use their computers in a normal way for decades. I am imposing all of those constraints because I understand how significant, how damaging, how horrible this crime is.
Now, as often happens during these hearings, the nominee did not answer everything. She was asked at one point about the idea of expanding the Supreme Court from 9 justices. She said that that is a policy question for Congress and did not offer an opinion. Delaware Senator Chris Coons just questioned Judge Jackson, and we're going to have more on what he had to say coming up at 5 o'clock. I'm Lauren Mayk, NBC 10 News.
We'll see you then, Lauren. Thank you.